The lightweight and portable Vac King 20-volt cordless 10-litre wet and dry vacuum cleaner is the perfect solution to everyday cleaning tasks. Supplied with a 4 amp-hour battery, the CVAC18V10 vacuum cleaner is easily portable, making it ideal for cleaning your car, caravan or boat when an extension lead would be inconvenient or impractical. Lightweight, weighing only 3.85 kilograms, this unit features a 4 amp-hour battery, which charges from completely empty in just over 1.5 hours with the supplied charger. The brushless motor offers sufficient running time to thoroughly complete your cleaning task. Supplied with an assortment of nozzles, the user is able to reach into confined spaces to ensure the cleaning is done thoroughly. The hose can alternatively be configured to blow. The CVAC18V10 also includes a wet filter, allowing the suction of liquids, with a built-in float valve to protect the vacuum cleaner from becoming overfilled. You simply have to change over the dust filter for the wet filter and you're all set. The 10-litre capacity of the vacuum cleaner gives ample volume to complete most cleaning tasks without having to stop to empty the reservoir. This cuts down on time spent cleaning. The HEPA filter means that there is no need to change bags, saving unnecessary expense. So for all kinds of dirt, dust or liquid spillages around your workshop, garage or vehicle being cleaned in an instant, the CVAC18V10 is the ideal portable cleaner to have always at hand.